like you were in life support, I'd turn it off from my phone. Your vibe's so toxic, it could kill a drone. You're the human version of spam in my inbox. Delete, block, on no time to unlock. Awkwardness follows wherever you tread, like glitter stuck to everything I dread. I'd unplug you, no second thought. Trade your soul for something I bought. You're useless, yeah, can't deny. A waste of space beneath the sky. Oh, if karma comes, don't say I didn't try. I'd unplug you, goodbye. Your brain runs slower than dial-up speed. Common sense, nah, that's not what you need. You're the plot twist nobody asked to see. A bad penny showing up endlessly. Silence is golden, but you're led instead. Talking to you feels like being misled. I'd unplug you, no second thought. Trade your soul for something I bought. You're useless, yeah, can't deny. A waste of space beneath the sky. Oh, if karma comes, don't say I didn't try. I'd unplug you, goodbye. Goodbye. What if I sold your secrets online, or use your name just to save some time? Would you even notice? Would you care? You're already dead, wait, everywhere. Glitter, spam, a broken toy, pointless noise, annoying joy. Evolution took 2 steps back, now here we are, let's call it fact. I'd unplug you, no second thought. Trade your soul for something I bought. You're useless, yeah, can't deny. A waste of space beneath the sky. Oh, if karma comes, don't say I didn't try. I'd unplug you, goodbye. Goodbye. So long, farewell, adios to you. The world's better off without your view. Unplugged, erased, now out of sight. Good riddance, you weren't worth the fight.